The F4D Skyray, a single-seat, carrier-borne fighter of supersonic speed, fast on the climb and agile in maneuvering. This film will aid you in recognizing the F4D Skyray. It will describe key recognition features and provide general information on the plane's performance and mission. The Skyray is something unique in aircraft design, and you should have no trouble in recognizing this plane in fast flight, even at considerable distances. Look for the F4D's unusual wing shape, a modified delta wing, which is unmistakable from most vantage points. Other important features of the Skyray are its sharp, raked vertical fin, with horizontal tail conspicuously absent, and its thick wing roots housing large jet intakes. Let's now examine the F4D Skyray in more detail. In a direct head-on view, we see an oval-shaped fuselage with a prominent cockpit housing. The stubby, mid-mounted wings thicken inboard to enormous wing roots that flank the sides of the fuselage. The wing roots house triangular-shaped jet intakes. A tall vertical fin mounts high on the fuselage without the usual horizontal tail. Viewed from a beam, we see a cockpit located above a short, sharply tapered nose. The bottom side of the Skyray extends in an almost straight line from the nose to the tailpipe, interrupted only by the tail skeg and arresting gear housing. A heavy dorsal spine, which gives the fuselage a deep appearance, extends aft of the cockpit, running the length of the fuselage and then sweeping up to merge with the sharply raked and tapered fin. A top or bottom view presents the most striking features of the Skyray. Here we see the unusual modified delta wing configuration. Like the true delta, the F4D's wings are mounted on the after section of the fuselage. Unlike the sharp triangular design of the delta, however, the wing tips are gracefully rounded and the trailing edges have some sweep back. The inboard, movable wedge-shaped structures projecting from the wing trailing edges to the extreme end of the tailpipe are pitch trimmers, performing the functions of trim tabs in more conventional aircraft. Forward of the broad jet intakes juts the Skyray's slender bullet nose. The Skyray, after completing carrier trials on the Coral Sea, first gave public evidence of its outstanding capabilities in October 1953 by establishing a world's official speed record. In 2 low sweeps along a 1 8/10 mile course at Salton Sea, California, it averaged 753.4 miles per hour, and thus captured the first such speed record ever held by a Navy carrier plane. 2 weeks later, at Edwards Air Force Base, this same aircraft established another world's record for the 100-kilometer, 12-pylon closed circuit. The Skyray is a large aircraft for a fighter, weighing over 19,500 pounds, measuring 50 feet in length and 33 feet in wingspan. Part of this weight and size is accountable to the large J-57 engine, which delivers 10,000 pounds normal thrust and 16,000 pounds with afterburner, and its enormous fuel requirements. Auxiliary tanks can be carried to extend the Skyray's radius of action. This, then, is the F4D Skyray, a fast, heavily armed interceptor of unique design. You'll probably be seeing a lot more of this important member of the fleet's aerial striking force. It's easy to spot if you remember these key recognition features. First and most important, the rounded, swept delta wings mounted on the after portion of the fuselage. The sharply raked and tapered vertical fin without horizontal tail. And the thick wing roots housing large jet intakes.